So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video I am going to be discussing about an easy job opening for data entry and data processing kind of job role that is floated by Infosys, where freshers and up to 1 year of experience candidates can apply. So in this video we are going to be discussing about the eligibility, how to apply, interview questions and the job description. So be there in the video till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So friends, regarding this role, the name of the role is data process non-voice. So the job description that they have given here is that you need to have written and verbal communication skills with the ability to quickly build rapport with the candidates and colleagues, have the ability to do multitasking and meet aggressive recruitment targets within defined timelines, and you need to have good experience or good knowledge of MS Office tools like Excel, PowerPoint, Word and Outlook, all of them. And you should have basic computer or knowledge of using the computer or the internet and good analytical skills. So these are the kind of skills that are required, and the job description, it is not clearly mentioned, but you will be working a lot on Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentations. Now, regarding the interview rounds, round one can here be a written test. Infosys usually conducts a written test for these kind of roles, where they will check a mix of skills. So some IQ questions can be there. They can also ask you to write an email to check your written communications. So mix of skills can be tested. Excel questions can be there. So these kind of questions can be there, and then there will be HR or the manager interview where they will ask you questions about yourself and some situation based questions. Now, the interview questions that can be asked for this role could be why you want to join this role. So here again talk about strengths that you have related to this role. Why Infosys? So talk about good things about Infosys. What do you understand by data processing? This is a very important question for this job role. So data processing refers to collecting, entering and analyzing data to generate meaningful information that is presentable, easy to understand and can be used to plan ahead and make important decisions. So this is the basic and very easy definition that I have written. Then talk about a time where you used your analytical skills. Talk about a time when you worked in a team because you need to be a good team player. Talk about your college project. Talk about a time when you had to complete a difficult task on your own because they want to be you to be a good team player as well as able to work individually on your own. So these are the kind of questions that can be asked. Now I'll show you how you can apply for this role. So I'll take you for this on my website. So I've floated this data processing non-voice role, and then you will be redirected to this page. There you can read about the job details, and if you are comfortable, just go to apply for this job, and you will be redirected to this page of naukri.com where this job has been floated. So here you have to check that they want you to email your resumes to this email ID along with these details: your name, mobile number, email, highest qualification should be graduation at least, year of pass out, so whatever you have. Do you have required education documents? You should write yes, otherwise they may reject you. Interested for data process? Yes. Current location, whatever your location is, preferred location should be Bangalore or Pune only because these are the two locations for which this opening is open. Then current CTC, so if you have some experience and you are working, current CTC, expected CTC you can write, and then notice period you can write. And if you are a fresher, you can write 0, and in expected CTC whatever you want, but I think for this role it will be somewhere around 3 LP. Notice period you can write immediate if you are a fresher. Willingness to work in rotational shifts must write yes, because if you write no, they will reject it. So these are the kind of details you have to fill and submit to the HR accordingly, and then they will get in touch with you for further rounds. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you, and in case you want to get your CV rectified for this role or any other role, check out the link in the description, and please don't forget to like this video, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.